Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We about to do episode number 3 of the FD build, and we're gonna get some wheels, hopefully some coilovers. Yeah, so I know y'all think I'm a little bit crazy and I'll be working really fast, right? But most of the time I'll be having help. I'll be having friends helping me. I'll be having my little nephews help me. My little cousin. So meanwhile, while I'll be over here, you know, working, making all this millions of dollars I'll be trying to make. I got my cousin Tyshawn over here on the buffer. We ain't gonna tell him how much times he buffed it, but he buffing it. They gonna get them lips nice and good. Then we're gonna put some wax on there, you know, keep them nice and good. Damn, they doing a good job. Y'all doing a good job?
Yeah.
Y'all think y'all doing a good job? Yeah. I don't know if they're doing a good job, I don't know. It looks kind of good. From where we started though, that's pretty good. So we'll hopefully be assembling those and slapping some tires on there. See if we can get some fitment on that bad boy right there. Ooh. When I first put those wheels on there, I didn't really like it, but it's starting to grow on me a little bit. Really starting to grow on me a little bit. But I'm not gonna put it on there. LXZ's for the win, right? Think y'all can agree. So in between like working and stuff, like I told you guys, I have like my nephew and my cousin here that's been helping me, and we've been working on getting all the rims together. They will polish it in the last clip, I believe. So now we're putting it together, teaching them how to be as cool as they uncle, right? Right, cool. So, all right, so took the wheel apart, pulling all the bolts. We had to cut all the old silicone / sealant, whatever they had on there. And then here goes the polish faces that they polished. They actually did a good job. Took them a little bit, but they got it done. What's up? What's going on? Got some overnight package from Japan, the FD. So, you know, it's nighttime. Team no sleep. Time to get some stuff done. Box came in. All my FD people that know, I'm new to this, but y'all know about this before me. These things get old and fly off. It's the headlight covers. They fly off all the time. So I found some on eBay, ordered it. I mean, it only took like a week and a half. I ordered it when I first got the car because one flew off on the drive back from Orlando when I got it. So I just decided I'll change both of them. I got both of them here. It's actually some of the last parts I need for the car, so it could be like completely painted and look good, besides the wheels and stuff and all of that. So try to paint this tonight. I'm gonna paint the inside of the hood. What I'm missing? The mud guards, I'm gonna paint those too. And I got the wheels popped on there. I'm gonna show y'all how the wheels look on the car. The car's looking real good. I can't even complain. It's just like I imagined if I had an RX-7 how it would be. I'm still waiting on a wing, but for now I'll just rock the stock front bumper, stock rear bumper, no side skirt, that type of thing. I'm digging it. It looks good. I'm gonna show it to you guys here in a second. But these are my parts I got. Last bits. Gonna paint the hood and all these little parts right here. So I'm gonna prep that, paint that tonight, and tomorrow I should have a completely red FD RX-7. All right, so here it is. Got his first wash today. Gotten the new wheel set up on. Slammed it a little too much in the back maybe, but we'll see how that goes. I redid the wheels. Nephew and my cousin did a good job. We also got some raised lug nuts on there. We gotta get some center caps, but man, what y'all think? Looking good, ain't it? Y'all ain't gotta tell me, I know it look good. But we'll get the lights on there tomorrow, and the headlight cover, and then the hood. And then, I don't know, we'll figure out what we're gonna do with this thing. I'll drive it around Rotary first, see how it is. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe I'm gonna get a little drive down the block or something. And then we'll start working on the interior. But, man, she looking good. I don't know, something. I always get that good fitment. I mean, that's a little pokey, but fitment be on point. Alright, so got everything all painted up for tomorrow. I'm gonna show you how it look. Gotta turn this Jay-Z down. So we cut him off. Got my painting done, you know. Been getting better and better every car I painted. I can't be mad at myself for being self-taught I've just been getting better and better at painting. So I got some advice for y'all. If y'all want to do something, just do it and keep doing it till you get good at it. Practice makes perfect, I promise you. See, look at that. I'm no pro at this painting stuff, and I just keep doing more and more stuff. Probably get easier for me because I keep doing red, but look how good that came out. That's some clear in there with flakes. You can't really see it, but you'll see it in the sunlight tomorrow. It's kind of bright on the camera, but look at that. It's nice and glossy. I can see myself in there. You can see a little bit of flakes. That's enough for tonight. I'm gonna go home. I'll be back early tomorrow because I ain't gonna be able to sleep with all the work I got doing, so I should just run up here. Probably try to pop that on. Probably pop those on. And I'll probably post a picture, or I'll show you guys how it look. What's up, guys? You know, this video has been all over the place kinda just because of the clutch kicker stuff and how busy we've been, but I got the Mazda put all together, most of it in between here and there. I'm still missing 1 or 2 pieces, but I at least wanted to show y'all before the end of this video. So I want to show y'all what it looked like right now. I actually got the wing. I painted the wing. I put it on there. The wheels on there. I got just about the fitment I'm gonna run. And I got some tires. You know, I got everything on there. Front bumper, headlights, and stuff. But I mean, he's looking pretty good. So this is it. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I mean, it's pretty much ready for its first drive. It's hot out here, sorry, the camera's not focusing. It's pretty much ready for its first drive. I'll probably drive it home. You guys probably won't see that, but I'll drive it around a little bit, and I gotta work on the interior and stuff like that. So I'm just searching around for little bits and pieces I still gotta get, but I already got it registered and insured. I'm excited to drive it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and drive it home. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.